How to change your font size in Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your font size in Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up your Facebook and just notice the font size. Now, this is the current font size of Facebook. And after you've noticed this and just leave Facebook, head over to your settings, and after you leave your settings, scroll down till you find accessibility. Tap on accessibility, and after you're on accessibility, scroll down all the way till you find an option called per app settings. It's under the general section. Now there you will find per app settings. Simply tap on that. Now you will need to add an app. So simply tap on add app. And now what you'll need to do is search for Facebook. After you find Facebook, tap on it and you will see Facebook has been added under your app customization. Tap on Facebook and now tap on larger text. So simply tap on larger text and simply choose your preferred text size. Now this is how you can change your font size. I'll just change it to a larger font. Now you can head back and open up your Facebook again, and you'll notice that your font size for Facebook has been changed, and it's that simple, guys. And that is all for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.